Hey friends, Brian from Trend Motors Volkswagen here with the all-new 2020 Atlas Cross Sport. This one is finished off in platinum gray. It's the V6 SEL with 4-motion all-wheel drive. Just going to be a brief walk around, so I'm not going to go into the ins and outs as fully as usual, but I will say this is Volkswagen's Atlas truncated. It's a 5-seater. It's got a nice sport back configuration, or sloping back. I don't, sport back I believe is trademarked. And it is sharp. It also drives very well. I drove it over here. It's got nice tight steering. The steering wheel is larger than the Mark 7 Golf in diameter, if you will, or the width, the girth of the steering wheel. So it's got a nice feel to it. All right, so this SEL Premium, this V6 SEL, again, everything you see here is going to be standard on the car. You have LED headlights, LED taillights. It's Volkswagen's new IQ light system is what they're calling it. It's marked on the lights front and rear. You'll notice the Volkswagen emblem lost a bit of weight, so they've redesigned the VW logo there, and overall the design is very cohesive. I think it's sharp. The lines have a purpose. If you've seen an Atlas, this is going to be familiar to you, but different at the same time. So you have those nice wide, pronounced hips rather, that body line there that goes from front to rear. You have this chrome trim under the taillights that goes all the way around, and it hides the Atlas text. And then down below you have the reflector. That's pretty sharp. So let me back up. You can see the LED taillight design there. Very nice. You got 20-inch alloy wheels. They have a little twist to them. Split 5-spoke. And roof rails up top. So real quick, I'm sure you're all wondering how much cargo capacity this lost because of the body style. And it's actually pretty spacious still, all things considered. Now, I have a standard Atlas at home, and let me tell you, you can fit your entire kitchen in there. Not literally, but it is enormous, the amount of space. And this is still pretty large. All right, you'll notice you got the cargo protection system in here. You have the cover. I'm not going to go through all that. That's all familiar stuff. And then there's a power tailgate, so we're going to close that. So a host of safety features. You have your blind spot, forward collision, beeps at you, let you know your car is running. This has the digital display there. Nice infotainment system here. Oh. There we go. We'll turn down Lisa Loeb there. It's obviously all touchscreen. You have CarPlay interface, USB. This has an 8-speed automatic transmission. Here's that steering wheel I was talking about. See, it's got a nice little grip to it. Nice thumb places. And then this is cool. The redesigned VW logo and the airbag cover. It's all new. There is the dash, very sharp. And everything else is pretty much familiar Volkswagen. If you've been in a Volkswagen before, the seats are very comfortable. They're supportive. You have a power driver seat with memory settings. You have a power passenger seat. You got heated seats. There is, there's just so much to it. Frameless rear view mirror. You have this massive sunroof, and I know it's kind of dark there. It's got the shade is halfway closed. So it's awesome. Drives great. Again, as I mentioned before, and that VR6 up front makes a good amount of power, and it's pretty decent on the torque there. All right, let's get out. We'll do one final walk around here. So again, it is the 2020 Atlas Cross Sport. This is the V6. There we go. This is the V6 SEL. Comes in a variety of colors and a variety of trims as well. So we're just highlighting that one today. Again, this is at Trend Motors Volkswagen. We are at 221 Route 46 West in Rockaway, New Jersey. You can also find us on all social media platforms at Trend Motors VW or on the web, trendmotorsvw.com. Thanks for viewing, and we'll see you soon.